Setting up your strike visuals double A column for SEG is quick and easy. Start by connecting the white T connectors. Push them into place, then rotate 90 degrees to lock them in. You'll use 12 T connectors total, 6 per side, with 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Next, attach the double A columns by sliding them into the T connectors. Start with the bottom section first, then stack the top section on top. This step ensures your columns are aligned and properly supported. Once the columns are in place, it's time to attach the feet. Using the T connectors mounted on the foot, slide them into the double A columns channel and push them all the way to the floor. Then, simply push and turn 90 degrees to lock them in place. If you're adding accessories like shelves, a TV mount, or support rods, insert them into the inner set of holes on the double A column and slide them down until they lock into place. This ensures a snug, professional fit. Finally, run the power cable through the foot of the double A column and into your light box. Then plug it in. That's it. Your double A column for SEG is now fully set up and ready to make an impact.